The flash from Chargeasap is being labeled as the world's most powerful 150-watt USB-C power bank, and early backers can get it for just $139. We've teamed up with Chargeasap to give away a brand new iPhone 11 to celebrate the upcoming launch of the Flash. To enter, visit the link in the description to sign up for Chargeasap's and 9to5Mac's newsletters for a chance to win. Entries are open for US and Canada viewers until February 29th, 2020. Okay, so let's talk about the Flash because frankly, this thing sounds awesome. First and foremost, it packs a 20,000 mAh battery inside. And as you can see, it's not only lightweight, weighing about a pound, but it's also portable. So you're going to be able to take this with you on the go. It's safe for travel with TSA, and it's not just lightweight and portable, but I think it looks good as well. They say it's the first power bank to use graphene batteries, and it's the first to support 100-watt USB-C power delivery to devices like the 16-inch MacBook Pro. And all this works in concert with the multiple ports on top of the unit. You have a USB-C port and 2 USB-A ports, and that allows for 150-watt output charging to 4 devices simultaneously. The USB-C port is smart. It works for output and input. The first USB-A port supports power output up to 40 watts. And then the second USB-A port supports power output up to 18 watts. So that means you're ready to go with all the fast charging technologies like Huawei Fast Charge and Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. And of course, it can fast charge your iPhone as well. You're probably wondering, what's that circle on the front of the device? We'll talk about that in a second, but here are the input and output configurations for the power bank. As you can see, that USB-C port supports output up to 100 watts, which is awesome. And as you can already see, there's a display on front that tells you your current battery percentage. It also comes in either silver or black color options. Personally speaking, I think I like the silver the best. But let's talk about that circle on the front of the device. You've probably already guessed it. Yes, indeed, that is a wireless charger. So all you need to do is sit your iPhone down just like this to charge your device wirelessly. So what does that mean? Well, yes, indeed, that means that you can charge with the Flash power bank up to 4 devices at the same time. That is really awesome. So again, early backers can get the Chargeasap Flash power bank for just $139. Click the link in the description for the details. Also, don't forget that we've teamed up with Chargeasap to give away an iPhone 11. So if you want to enter, click the link down below in the description for more details. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and special thanks to Chargeasap for sponsoring 9to5Mac on YouTube.